Over the past 22 months, this administration has worked diligently and with urgency to drive the most ambitious modernization program in this domain that our country has ever seen. The bulk of that work, up until now, the work that was visible, has rightly focused on the wholesale technological overhaul of immigration and border management systems and processes, including the flagship electronic travel authorization system, as well as the diligent hard work of establishing and setting up the Border Management Authority. But ladies and gentlemen, in the background, our teams have also been working to lay the foundation for an unprecedented infrastructure overhaul at our land borders. This truly is a groundbreaking moment for South Africa. The diligent work that has brought us to this moment was done through collaboration between the Department of Home Affairs, the Border Management Authority, National Treasury, Department of Public Works and Infrastructure, the South African Revenue Service, as well as the transaction advisors who have traveled this journey with us. My sincere appreciation goes to each and every one of them.